friends. Today we are going to add up some numbers. Are you ready to add up numbers with me? I'm sure you are. Can you read out the numbers on the screen? Good job! Right. Now, let us add up 345 plus 22. Now, when you see numbers like this, what do you think you are expected to do? How do you think you're going to add up a 3-digit number by a 2-digit number? So we have 345 plus 22. Do we count on? Oh, we cannot possibly do that. That will be too exhausting. Yes. So how do we go about it? How do we add up these two big numbers? Well, we can do that by arranging the numbers vertically first and then putting their place values. But how do we know what place values to put down? Okay, what's the bigger number first? Good, 345. It's a 3-digit number. So therefore, we are going to put 3 under which place value? Hundreds, right. So because it's a 3-digit number, we are going to have 3 place values, and that will be hundreds, tens, and unit. Of course, starting from the least value, 5, is going to be under the unit. 4 will be under the tens, and we are going to put 3 under the hundreds. Now it's time to place the next number, which is a 2-digit number, 22. Do we place it like this? No, no, no! A 2-digit number does not have the same place value as a 3-digit number. So we cannot put 22 starting with the hundreds. So how then do we do this? Great! Because it's a 2-digit number, starting with the least number, that is 2, we put 2 under the units and the other 2 under the tens. Now we have placed the numbers correctly. It's time to add up. Remember, we add up these numbers starting with the units. 5 plus 2 is going to give us 7, so we put our 7 down. Then we move to the tens. 4 plus 2, that would give us 6. We are going to put the 6 down. Now we are off to the next, and that is the hundreds. But what do we have on the hundreds? We have just 3. 3 plus, there's nothing to add to 3. So what do? We just bring 3 down. Therefore, our answer is going to be 367. Perfect. Now, let's increase the numbers now. Okay? We're going to take this a bit higher. Now, how about we try adding up 345 and 67? Like we did the last time, we need to put our place values first. You can pause this video to try this one on your own. Now, after putting your place values, we need to place our numbers correctly under the place value like this. Now it's time to add up. If you have placed the numbers correctly, you're going to have this exact arrangement on the screen. Remember, when we are adding up, we start from where? The units. And that would be 5 plus 7. If we are to count on, starting with the bigger number, 5 plus 7 will give us 12. Remember, we can't put 12 under the units. So, we are going to put 2 under the units and then carry 1 to the tens place. Now, let's move to the tens. Under the tens, so we have 1 plus 4 plus 6. 1 plus 4, that would equal 5. Plus 6, if we are to count on, that would give us 11. We can put the number 11 down just like that. Yeah, we need to put 1 down under the tens and carry the other one over to the hundreds place. Now it's time to add up the hundreds place. Under the hundreds place, we have 1 plus 3. That is equal to 4. There is nothing to add to 4, so we just bring it down like this. And we have our answer, 412. Good job! If you have done this right, you should get the exact answer. We use these exact principles when adding up any set of numbers at all. So it doesn't matter if it's a 3-digit number or a 4-digit number. The first thing you would have to do is to, yes, put your place values, arrange your numbers accordingly, and then start adding up, starting with the units. Now let us try another example. Now, can you try adding up these two numbers on the screen? 423 plus 259. This is a big number as well. So you can pause this video and try. Do you want to try? Okay. Well, if you have worked out the right thing, you would have your place values and your numbers well arranged under the place value like this. Remember, when you're adding up, we start from where? The units. So let's begin. 3 plus 9, that would equal 12. Good. Now, how do we put the 12 down? Do we just write it like that? No, we are going to put the 2 down and carry 1 over to the 10th place. Next, let us start adding up the 10th place. For the 10th place, we are going to have 1 plus 2 plus 5. 1 plus 2 would equal 3. If we are to add 5 to that number, that is going to give us 8. So we are going to put our 8 down. Finally, it's time to add up the 100th place. Under the 100th place, we have 4 plus 2. And that is going to give us 6. So our final answer is 682. Did you get that right? I am confident now that you know how to add up bigger numbers. Remember, it doesn't matter how many digits you are adding up, as long as you apply these steps. The first step, put down your place value. The next step, arrange your numbers correctly under the place value. And then start adding up, starting with the units. Correct. Finally, remember to carry and regroup numbers where necessary. And voila, you'll be able to add up any set of numbers. Make sure to practice with more numbers after this video. I'm going to see you next time. Bye-bye.